Hello in mates. Okay, it's a bit dark in here. I'm just playing around with this new lens and I'm trying to get used to it all. So let me just... So, got a nice red GSA in. And this customer is having a new K2 fitted to it. We're going to put a Can Smart on there with a rear light, not having any fancy front lights or a horn, just a Can Smart, a K2 and the rear light. And I'm just playing around with this brand new lens of mine at the moment. On a very funny note, take a look at this video that I did yesterday where I was actually just practicing with this new lens with my daughter in the car. Have a look at this and then meet you back in the workshop shortly.
Because the lens just arrived. Yeah, of course. I want to test what it's like on 1.4. So I've got 1.4 aperture lens. Big aperture. 1.4 big aperture lens. Yeah? What's it got? 1.4 big aperture lens. Big aperture, not small aperture. Everyone thinks it's small. It's a big aperture. Because 1.4 is a fraction. She knows her photography stuff. You're right. 1.4 is a fraction. It's not a number. An aperture of 22, is that big or small? 22, that is small. Small, yeah. That's right. But 1.4 is huge! And it gives us look at that blurry background back here. Oh my. Look at it, it's all blurry in the background. It means that we just stick out really well. Look at that blurry trees! Look at blurry trees! Oh, now blurry. It's actually now blurry. It's actually very blurry. Oh, hang on. I've got a bad thing on my glasses. No, they're still blurry. That's because I've got my glasses on. That broke my glasses. One-arm glasses. Lightweight. Get fast from the bike. Huh? The thing is, it's a fixed lens, so I can't. It's in focus, yeah, it's autofocus. Hang on. Let's see how close we can get before it goes out of focus. Oh my word, look at that. My eyes are really big. So good, I know, it's so... Not bad, is it? I'm very pleased with this because I nearly spent £1,300 on a Carl Zeiss lens. I've always called it Carl Z strap. My father corrected me and says it's Zeiss, you ignorant son. Anyway, so I thought I'm not going to spend £1,800 on a Carl Zeiss, so I bought this cheap Sigma, but you know what, I know it's a fixed lens, I'm kind of limited to what I can do with it, 16mm, Carl Zeiss, no not Carl Zeiss, Sigma lens. I think this is great. I think this has come out really, really well. Oh, those blurry trees. Those blurry trees. Have I got a blurry steering wheel? Have I got? No, focus right there, isn't it? I'll get a blurry steering wheel. Oh, that can make Sophie blurry. Sophie's blurry because I'm in focus. But look, watch this, Sophie. There we go. So now you should be in focus. You're in focus, and now watch this. You're watching. You're in focus. Watch, and then I'm in focus.
So what I'm doing here is, well, because the K2s don't come with ring connectors to fit to here, I fit these on here. Now that's the beauty. If you buy a K2 from me, as of today's date, I don't know why I didn't do this a long time ago, you will get these spade connectors in. Get that on there. I'll actually fit this to your loom on your DC converter, so you can literally attach them straight to your battery rather than having to actually fit them yourself and go out and buy them in the first place. If you buy a K2 from me, I'm the only person, to my knowledge, in the world that sell K2s with the ring connectors attached. Because every K2, I don't drop ship them, I actually have them here in stock. I buy them in, I distribute them myself. I'm a retailer of them. So if you buy a K2 from me, I actually fit these ring connectors to every K2. So it means I will open your box up, I will pull the DC converter out and quickly attach these ring connectors. It's just that extra added little bit of value which you get for your pennies. Alright? There we are. Cable tying this to train the wire to stay like that. Because what we're doing here is when this comes back up again, this wire comes in through this gap here, comes into this area, this void area here, and then comes back up through the same hole that the turn signal wire goes through. Okay, so we've got the K2 and the Canon Smart all installed on the bike. Now we're just going to put the bike back together again, but take a quick look.